And hey guys, welcome back to Dice Plays Minecraft. So last we left this place, it was a mess, but now it isn't. It became my base and home to my villagers. And also there's a cow spawner over there. These two houses are empty because all of them live in here. You know what? Wake up. Rise and shine, everybody. Anyway, so when you start off in a Minecraft server with an economy, so the first thing you want to do is of course gain money, right? So in this video, I'm gonna be telling you and teaching you some tips that I learned and got from players on how to be rich. Well, I hope this applies for all servers with an economy, not only for Kingscraft. So anyway, in Kingscraft, there are jobs, which is important for an economy-based server. I mean, where else would you get the money? Steal it? Haha. I mean, you can steal, right? But anyway, here are the jobs. Here, we have woodcutter, miner, builder, digger, farmer, hunter, fisherman, brewer, and enchanter, all of which have their own perks. Now I chose builder, farmer, and what was the last? The miner, because this brings us to our first tip. Our first tip is to get a job you specialize in. Lucky dice. There. See, I have a small farm, pumpkin farm over here, and I also have that cocoa farm. Cocoa farms are so far the most efficient way of gaining money. See over there, I'm gaining money. I'm gaining money and experience from harvesting and planting. I'll show you how. See, if I just plant these cocoa beans, I'll get some money. See, I get money. Cocoa beans are easy to get. Just buy. If you don't have any at the start, just buy some from players. They'd be willing to help you. And now we're done farming for cocoa beans. And yeah, I'll show you my whole stash of cocoa beans. Boo. I have that much. Okay, my next job is builder. So let's go get some resources first. Oops. Wrong resource shulker box. Let's discard what I don't need yet. Okay, so Kingscraft has a resource world where you can mine for more resources there. It's called a resource world for a reason. So here, you can place all your unwanted blocks if you're a builder, and it's gonna help you. How? I'll show you. Just get this out of the way. So, as you can see, I'm currently placing some planks that I don't need. And while I'm doing that, I'm gaining money and experience as a builder. See? I'm now a level 28, a near level 29 builder while gaining money. For every stack, I think you get at least $50, I think. You get $50 for every stack of planks that you put. More than $50 actually. See, I'm now level 29 builder. And there you have it, everyone. Some 5-6 stacks of wood planks that I placed in the resource world while even gaining money from it. Cool, right? And this brings us to my third job, mining. So mining is really easy because I have a great pickaxe. It's called Tsuruhashi, and it has efficiency, fortune, and unbreaking. Reforged is, I think, a custom enchantment. When you gain experience, the item is also regenerating in a sense. Like the damage bar is, well, 0 again. And from mining, cobblestone, stone, andesite, diorite, granite, everything, from mining I get money. I'll show you. See, I got 30 from mining this much. Let's see if we can gain money from mining these. Yes, I can also gain some. Excuse me, mister, what are you doing? What? What was that? What happened? Okay, something happened. Cool. But anyway, as I was saying, you get money from mining ores and stone. This is actually tied with the second most efficient way for me, because while I'm mining, I can also find some diamonds, you know, diamonds and iron. I have a whole iron stash in my base. I don't know what to do with them. And excuse me, mister, we're trying to film a video here, so please cooperate or something. Where's the diamonds? Let's go look for some diamonds.
One eternity later.
Finally, diamonds. If I knew I would look here in the first place. But anyway, this is how much you're in for diamonds. $11 coins, money, something. I don't know. Maybe. Hey, what are you doing? Give it to me. You know what? Give it to me. The diamonds. The diamonds. There you go. Yeesh. Took me a while. Alright, let's go home. I'm so tired of mining. So that's tip number 1. Get some jobs you specialize in. Okay, tip number 2. Make sure you know what you're doing. Like, first of all, for the farmer, you can get money for breeding. You should know all about your job. Like, here for farmer, you get, as I said a while ago, you can get some money for harvesting and planting crops. You should have also the right tools for that. If not right, well, make sure it's the, well, in addition to being it the right tool, it should be one of the most efficient tools so that you earn money more quickly. Like, for example, I have this Suruhashi pick, and that's so far one of the most efficient pickaxes I've ever owned, because it can insta-mine some stone, like click and insta-mine. It also has fortune. It also has the fortune enchantment, so that's why from 1, 2, 3, 4, some 5 diamond ores, I got 26 pieces of it. So some 5 pieces per ore, am I right? Next stop, for gaining money, you should join events, like events hosted by people, events hosted by the admins, some people who are willing to give out money for doing jobs or winning in competitions or like basically stuff, you know. And Kingscraft also has like a fishing contest where you gain money if you catch the largest fish. I'll show you the largest fish that I caught. It's a pygmy whale, 642 cm long. That's my game-winning fish. So yeah, I'm pretty proud of that. Took me a while to catch it though. And yeah, so that's pretty much about it. Oh, and also you can sell your items in an auction house. See, these are the items being sold by players. Diamond blocks, to vouchers, to enchantments, to even spawners, spawn eggs, and armor, of course. From your jobs, you can also get money from killing players, but since I don't have much experience in PvP, and you saw how bad I am at it, well, I wouldn't gain that much from it. So anyway, my tips for you is to find the best way to gain your money. My jobs are building, farming, and mining. That's the most efficient for me. How about yours? Let me know down in the comments below. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to know if I posted a new video. Thank you everybody so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video of Kingscraft with Dice. Bye! Dice out!